Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to get started with the Juvia's Place concealer and prime my eyelids. And then I'm going to blend it out with a Morphe M173 brush. And then I'm going into the Norvina Pro palette, volume 2. And then go in the shade C3 with a Morphe M332 brush. And pack it in my outer corner. And bring it like to the front of my eyes. And then I'm going into the color B5, which is like a lighter blue. And then I'm taking a Morphe M330 brush, and I'm just going to blend it in my crease, like really heavy. And this time I'm blending instead of tapping, because I'm like really working that light blue into that previous blue that I first put on my eye. And I would take the Morphe M330 brush that I'm blending with, and I would dip it in that blue just to get some extra coverage that I need to make it like a light blue. And then I'm going to go into the Warrior 3 palette by Juvia's Place and go into this light blue. And then I'm going to take my Morphe M504 brush, and now I'm going to tap that blue right above that other blue that I had used. So I'm just tapping at this point because I don't want the color to spread, and I still want it to be very pigmented. And now I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and wipe some of the blue off my lid. And then I'm going to take the P. Louise base in the shade Rumour 1. And I'm going to take the Morphe M167 brush to put that on. And this isn't going to be a cut crease. I'm just making it, I just want my lid to be a little lighter, but I want it to blend very nice. So I'm going to take the Morphe Morphe M173 brush and kind of blend that P. Louise base out into that blue. And I like having a lot of these Morphe M173 brushes because they help you blend like bases out and concealers out. So that's why I have like 4 of these brushes. And then I'm going to take this flathead elf brush and go into the shade D1. And then I'm going to take some all-nighter spray and spray the brush and put that over the P. Louise base. I'm going to take some tape and put it on my eye. Everybody always asks me, what do I do to get a sharp line? And it's tape. I'm probably always going to use tape because you can slap the eyeliner on without having to be nervous that you're going to mess up. And the tape makes it really easy. Just make sure you let the eyeliner dry first before you remove the tape. And then I'm going to put on my lashes that I got from AliExpress. And now I'm just wiping away any fallout. And my boyfriend made a guest appearance in the video. He bought me some Taco Bell. So I was very happy about that. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same face routine as usual. Everybody asks me why I always do my face first. Is because I do a lot of creative eyeshadow looks with glitter and pigment and all just types of stuff. So like that's why I always do my face last. But if you're just like a liner and like minimal eyeshadow type of person, then you can do your face first because it's not really like a fallout that's gonna happen, or like, you know, stuff that's gonna fall on your face because it's just liner and a little bit of eyeshadow. But I like use 5 different types of eyeshadows, a glitter, and a lot of other stuff. And the other reason why I do my eyes first and then my face is because I do my face I do my face in a matter of 5 minutes. It takes me about 15 minutes to do my eyes. And then, so it's like by the time I finish my eyes, I'm done with my makeup because I'm just slapping on foundation, concealer, powder, highlight, all that. So I do my face really fast. And sometimes when I record these videos for you all, I'm in a time crunch. So I like to get the eyes out the way first and then do my face. And then I took 2 Juvia's Place concealers, the shade in 13 and the shade in 15. And I didn't mix them. I put the 13 on first, and then I put the 15 right below my eye because the 15 is lighter. And then I'm going to go ahead and put on some banana powder from Morphe with a Real Technique sponge. These are a dupe for the beauty blenders, and they work just fine. I've been using them for about 4 years, and they are perfect. And then I'm going to use the Laura Mercier powder to set the rest of my face. My boyfriend wants to get on the tutorial, I see. And then I'm using the Milani blush in Red Vino. This is the only blush I use because I like that red undertone it has to it. And the Fenty Beauty Killawatt palette, I'm going to go on that blue and put it in like my inner eye tear duct area. Like I'm not a big Fenty Beauty person because I feel like it's just regular like makeup to me. But her highlights are like the best highlighter palettes out there. Rihanna has the best highlighters in the makeup industry right now. And then I'm going to take some blue from that ABH Norvina palette and put it under my eye. And then put some, like just kind of brush it out with a Morphe M332 brush. And then I'm going to put on some mascara. I'm going to go back into the Killawatt palette and take that same shade that I put in my eye. And I'm going to take a Morphe M510 brush. I just got this brush and put my highlighter on with it. And see what I mean? These Fenty Beauty highlighters are just amazing. I love them. I have the How Many Carats one as well. That's amazing. I'm just taking a selfie real quick. Didn't know I put this in the video, but we just gonna roll with it. And then I'm gonna take a brown lip liner and line my lips. And then I'm gonna take a MAC Creamsheen lipstick in the shade Modesty and put that on my lips. And then I'm going to take the NYX lingerie lip gloss in the shade Clear and put that over Modesty. And this is the finished look. Thank you all for watching. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. And I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.